Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and today we're going to take a journey back in time to explore one of the most fascinating creatures to have ever lived. Meet Tanica amnicola, a salamander-like ancestor that roamed the prehistoric rivers around 275 million years ago. This extraordinary being was an evolutionary oddball, with a jaw structure that has left paleontologists scratching their heads for years. Imagine a creature with a twisted jaw, where the bottom teeth pointed sideways instead of upwards, and the section of jaw that faces the tongue in humans was oriented towards the roof of the mouth. These surfaces were covered in tiny teeth known as denticles, which turn the angled jaw into a grinding surface. It's a truly unique feature that has sparked intense curiosity among scientists. As we learn more about Tanica, we discover that it was an incredibly early four-legged vertebrate, or tetrapod. In fact, it belonged to a group called stem tetrapods, which eventually gave rise to all the diverse range of four-legged animals we see today, from birds and mammals to reptiles and amphibians. But what's remarkable about Tanica is that it didn't follow the typical path of its contemporaries. While most stem tetrapods were strictly carnivorous, Tanica's teeth suggest that it may have been a herbivore, feeding on plants at least some of the time. The discovery of Tanica's jawbone in a dry riverbed near the Amazon rainforest in Brazil has provided a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of life on Earth. As paleontologist Jason Pardo notes, Tanica is from an ancient lineage that we didn't know survived to this time. It's a reminder that there's still so much to learn about the history of our planet and the creatures that have inhabited it. As we try to piece together what Tanica might have looked like, we're left with more questions than answers. Its closest evolutionary relatives in river habitat suggest that it may have resembled a 3-foot-long salamander with a lengthier snout. But until more fossil evidence is found, we can only imagine the possibilities. The story of Tanica amnicola is a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity and diversity of life on Earth. As we continue to uncover the secrets of our planet's history, we're reminded of the importance of preserving and protecting the natural world for future generations. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we're exploring some fascinating stories from the natural world. In our first segment, we delved into the intriguing world of ancient creatures that still roam our planet. Now, let's shift our attention to a rather unexpected display of commitment and loyalty in the insect kingdom. In the realm of wood-feeding cockroaches, specifically the species Salguinea taiwanensis, researchers have uncovered a remarkable ritual that signifies the bonding of a pair. This process involves a unique act of cannibalism, where the male and female cockroaches gently eat each other's wings off, either before, during, or after mating. This wing-eating ritual is not just a peculiar behavior, it marks a significant commitment between the two insects. Haruka Osaki, a behavioral ecologist at the Museum of Nature and Human Activities in Hyogo, Japan, has been studying this phenomenon. According to her findings, once a pair of cockroaches has performed this ritual, they form a long-term monogamous bond, building a nest together and raising their offspring as a team. This level of commitment is rare in the insect world, where polygamy and solitude are more common. But what's even more astonishing is how this ritual affects their behavior towards other potential mates or intruders. After the wing-eating ceremony, the pair becomes fiercely defensive of each other and their nest. They will aggressively reject any other cockroaches that approach, displaying a level of loyalty and cooperation that's typically associated with higher animals. Lars Chitka, a behavioral ecologist at Queen Mary University of London, describes this behavior as a built-in stay-and-invest signal for both parties, which stabilizes their cooperation. This unique bonding mechanism allows the cockroaches to recognize each other and strengthen their partnership, making them a formidable team against any outsiders. The study also revealed that when introduced to intruders, pairs of cockroaches that had eaten each other's wings off became significantly more aggressive towards strangers compared to those that hadn't performed the ritual. This change in behavior is a clear indication that the wing-eating ceremony serves as a powerful bonding agent, transforming the pair into a unified force. As we explore the intricate social behaviors within the insect kingdom, we're reminded that even the smallest creatures can exhibit complex and fascinating patterns of interaction. The wood-feeding cockroach's unique ritual is a testament to the diversity and richness of life on Earth, where loyalty, cooperation, and commitment can be found in the most unexpected places. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating world of wildlife and conservation today, we have a delightful piece of news that combines celebration with an important message about the beauty and fragility of nature. Florida, known for its vibrant ecosystems and diverse wildlife, has made a significant decision regarding its state bird, a move that not only reflects the state's unique natural heritage, but also underscores the critical importance of conservation efforts. The American flamingo, with its unmistakable pink plumage, has been officially designated as Florida's state bird. This species, one of the largest flamingos in the world, is renowned for its striking appearance and graceful demeanor. The vibrant coloration of the American flamingo, derived from its diet rich in beta-carotene, makes it an iconic symbol of beauty and resilience in the natural world. This decision is not merely a symbolic gesture, but also a call to action. By elevating the American flamingo to this esteemed position, Florida highlights the need for continued conservation efforts to protect this and other species that call the state home. The American flamingo, while thriving in some parts of its range, faces numerous challenges, including habitat loss and the impacts of climate change. In a thoughtful move, the Florida legislature has also designated the Florida scrub jay as the official state songbird. This starkly blue bird, endemic to Florida, is not only a visually striking creature, but also an important part of the state's ecological fabric. Unfortunately, the Florida scrub jay is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, making its recognition as a state symbol both a celebration of its unique place in Florida's wildlife and a stark reminder of the conservation challenges ahead. This legislative move encourages public engagement with conservation initiatives and fosters a sense of pride in the state's natural heritage. By recognizing these iconic species, Florida takes a significant step towards promoting awareness and action for their conservation, ensuring that future generations can appreciate and enjoy the state's rich wildlife and natural beauty. As we reflect on this story, it's clear that the designation of official state symbols like birds serves as more than just a gesture of appreciation. It acts as a catalyst for conversation about the importance of biodiversity, the challenges faced by wildlife, and our collective responsibility to protect these treasures for generations to come. So, as we conclude today's Nature Walk, let's carry with us not only the vibrant images of the American flamingo and the Florida scrub jay, but also the understanding that each of us has a role to play in preserving the natural world. Whether through supporting conservation efforts, advocating for policies that protect wildlife habitats, or simply by spreading awareness about the beauty and importance of nature, every action counts. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.